आप सब? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I'm your host Dr. Shara. In today's video, I will be sharing my secret hack to create heatless curls. Guys, I'm so excited because it's my first video, and before getting into the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon ताकि आप तक मेरी हर वीडियो पहुंच सके. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video and remember to stay tuned till the end. अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon for more such videos. Until then, be safe, be happy and be positive. Bye bye, see you in the next video.